In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Trip.com. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar or search field, type Trip.com. You can simply enter the website name and press Enter, or run a quick web search if that's easier for you. Take a moment to check the results and look for the official site. It should display the Trip.com brand and the URL should read Trip.com. If you see sponsored ads at the top, scroll past them and choose the official result. When the page loads, confirm you're on the secure site by looking for the padlock icon in the address bar. Once you're on the homepage, head to the top right corner and click Sign In, Register. On some screens, especially mobile devices, this option might be inside a menu icon, but it will be labeled clearly. Clicking this opens the sign-in panel where you can pick how you'd like to log in. Here, choose the method that works best for you. If you prefer using your email address or mobile number, select that option. If you're traveling or using a new device, it's a good idea to have access to your email inbox or your phone for any verification prompts the site might display. If you're logging in with an email or a mobile number, click into the field and type it carefully. For mobile numbers, make sure the correct country or region code is selected before entering the rest of your number. After you've filled in your details, follow the on-screen prompts to continue. Depending on your account settings, you may be asked to confirm a code sent to your email or phone. Enter that code exactly as shown and proceed. Alternatively, you can log in using an existing Google, Facebook, or Apple account by selecting the corresponding button. This will redirect you to the provider's secure page. Confirm you're signed into that account, complete any two-factor steps if prompted, and then authorize the connection so Trip.com can verify your identity. When the authorization finishes, you'll be returned to Trip.com automatically. After a moment, you should see that you're signed in. Look for changes in the top right corner of the page, such as your profile icon or account menu, replacing the Sign In Out Register link. From there, you can access your profile, view upcoming trips, and manage bookings. If the page doesn't update right away, refresh the browser. If something doesn't go through, double-check that your email or number was entered correctly and that any verification code hasn't expired. And that's it. You've successfully logged in to Trip.com.